Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
MergeHost review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about the software called MergeHost. So this is the MergeHost review, and right now we are on the sales page and the demo video is not out yet because I am doing an early review. This product is supposed to be launching on 19th of July 2022 on Warrior Plus on this website, which is called warriorplus.com. So I'm doing the early review. That is why a lot of things are under construction. However, I will give you the brief idea what you will be buying here. So if you can, if you come here and see review access, email password and demo, that is yet to be out because they are not as fast as me, which is absolutely fine because the launch date is 19th and I'm recording this video on 17th. Okay. Anyways, so I will try to help you with the as much information I have gathered as of now. So it says stop wasting hundreds of dollars every month, get unlimited hosting, cloud storage and video hosting for a low one-time price, no monthly fees ever, perfect for newbies on a limited budget, ultra speed hosting, one-time fee hosting, save up to $1,000. So you will be getting your website hosting, you will be getting cloud storage, and you will also be getting video hosting. Okay, now unlimited hosting is if you want to run a website. If you have a website and you want to switch to this MergeHost, you may do that. Cloud storage means if you want to store your files, PDF or documents. Video hosting means if you want to go and save your videos on the cloud. If you don't have, if you don't have enough storage on your computer left, you can go and host your videos on the video hosting software. Okay, and the rest of the things you can check on the sales page. So it says, these are features, so go and read everything here, too much to read for me. So you will be able to access cPanel, you will be getting your personalized email accounts, built-in malware protection, this and that. Okay, and in any case, if you want to check anything here, just go and find. I will not leave the link of the sales page below my video because I do not promote anything from this website called warriorplus.com, because even if you go and buy this product, you will have difficulties in getting any support, and if something goes wrong, you are on your own. Okay, so with my experience, I have gave up 100% on Warrior Plus, so I will never ask you to buy anything from this shitty website called warriorplus.com. Even this product which is saying you can get hosting and video hosting and then this storage thingy, I have no trust on this website at all. MergeHost, whatever the name is, it sounds fascinating that you can pay them $17 or something and you can get unlimited hosting for lifetime, or you can get unlimited this storage or video hosting. It's all bullshit. Okay, nobody is here to give you something unlimited. You're paying $17 only. What do you want? What do you want? Why would somebody give you lifetime support in $17? So wake up from your dreams, and the sales page is under construction. You can see the images are, the images are missing, and these are bonuses and all the crap you see. You should know by now how this Warrior Plus, website works. Right now, everything is under construction. I don't blame them because I am early. They are saying they will be launching on 19th, so it's not their fault. But it's just just me that I had time, so I did this review. And yes. Now, why would you buy all this? First of all, you are supposed to start a website. Unlimited hosting means you have to host your websites. Okay, why would you start a website? Why will somebody start a website in 2022? Websites, blogs don't make money. What makes money right now is video. This video which I'm recording right now, that is what is making money for me. Okay, so I have a choice here. Either I go and do this MergeHost review on my blog, or I do this MergeHost review on my YouTube channel, which I'm doing. Okay, so if you compare, this YouTube video will be getting 10-20 views in next 24 hours, but if I write this review on my website, it will never rank. You never know when Google will rank your blogs or reviews on the first page of Google. So it's pathetic. The smartest decision to make right now is, if you want to get real quick results, then you have to come and make YouTube videos. Okay, So the bottom line here is that MergeHost might be giving you something, but for how long, that something will work for you, I have no clue. I am not selling this to you. I don't take any guarantees. But let me talk about OTOs here. So the front end will cost you $17. You will be getting this. Upgrade 1 is this, unlimited everything. Then upgrade 2 is agency license. You will be getting this. Upgrade 3 is done for your setup. This is this. And then upgrade 4 is fortune. 5 and a profit. What is that? I don't know what is that. Okay, upgrade 5, you can read everything here, and maybe I can show you here. So this is front end again, and then this is OTO 1, this is OTO 2, OTO 3, OTO 4, OTO 5. So pause the video and go through everything here. And if you take my word, don't buy. It's waste of money, because as long you see this website warriorplus.com, you are not supposed to buy anything from this website. Your job simple, my job is very simple to make you understand. Okay, do not worry about the technical parts. Where is the demo video? How does this work? What are you going to get? For how long are you going to get? What is the pricing? What are you? Come on, just get out from here. Okay, do not buy anything from Warrior Plus. That's the bottom line, and that's how I finish my this MergeHost review. However, why am I making these videos? Because I make these videos as an I see these videos as an opportunity, so that I can show you the reality of the ugly life. Okay, the reality is not that beautiful, because in reality you will have to work for your money, whether you work offline or online. If you don't work, you don't make money. Okay, so if you think you come online and something will change, well, why would something change? You work 8 hours a day offline, then only you make money. The same thing happens on the internet too. You got to work online, then only you make money. So don't think that you just come online and something will change. No, it's the same technology. It's the same concept. You work online, you get paid. You don't work, you don't get paid. Okay, so there's no software magic, or you'll buy something. And technically, right now, 2 things to remember: do not start a website right now. Okay, unless you're a brand. Okay, if you're a brand and you want to have a website for your company name, that's fine. Then you can go and maybe buy some hosting from Namecheap, or I don't know which one else. Just go and buy some repeated hostings. Don't buy anything from Warrior Plus. And second is, if you are here to make money, then don't go and start any blogs. Okay, blogs makes you nothing. If you want to make money straight away, as I have as I have told you in the beginning, that I am recording this YouTube video. This YouTube video might get 10-20 views in next 24 hours, and I will make money. Now you might call me an idiot, because I am asking you to go and not to buy this, right? I'm saying not to buy this, and I'm saying I will be getting 10-20 views. So how will I make money? Well, the way I will make money is, you must have seen some ads in my YouTube video, right? So you must have seen some ads maybe in the beginning, and those ads make me money every day with every video, because my YouTube channel is monetized. Okay, now if you want to do the same, if you want to go and make money just by uploading YouTube videos with views without selling anything, then you will have to go and get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, which is next to impossible if you do not know what you are doing. In that case, I can help you. So you will go below my YouTube video right now and click on the first link where it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Okay, this Traffic Jarvis will help you in getting those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then your YouTube channel will be monetized within a month. Okay, so we'll talk about this thing. We'll talk about all these links in detail, but for now, just go and subscribe. Okay, because I cannot subscribe to my own channel, so I'll show you here the proof. If you don't believe me, let me show you. Okay, so if I open a new tab, and then I'll paste my YouTube channel link, right? And then I will get the subscribe option, and then YouTube will be saying that, are you dumbass? Why are you trying to subscribe to your own channel? Okay, so you will see in a moment now. There you go. So once I hit subscribe button, YouTube says you may not subscribe to yourself. Are you an idiot or what, right? So this is the reason, I cannot subscribe to myself. So I need help, from you guys, right? So go and hit the subscribe button below the video, like the video, press the bell notification. Everything is free, okay? And if you want to support this channel or leave some colorful super comments, then you can use the super thanks button and leave your colorful super comments. I like colors. I like red one, yellow one, green one, okay? And now I'll show you exactly how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube traffic Jarvis. So this traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training, and this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out if you want to make money without selling anything. for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.